Our new member has come to us for help. Would someone volunteer to tell what B.A. has done for him?
I was a 3-bird-a-day pussycat until B.A. helped me.
Being on a bird kick cost me 5 homes. B.A. helped me solve my problem.
Fellow members, from now on, my motto is, birds is strictly for the birds. Good morning, my little feathered friend. I got it beat. My willpower is indomitable.
Dear Diary, I know you won't believe this, but today...
Let's see what's cooking on TV. After a basting, you'll find that your bird will come out a golden brown. Every succulent morsel will simply melt in your mouth. Wee, how easy the white meat slices, eh? Yum, yum. Those are not to look...